masasabi mo mag-enchanted?
Okay lang. Mag-e-enjoy. Masusuka.
Ano una mo sasakyan?
Siya. Joke.
Siya daw. Ikaw daw. Nakailang rides ka na?
5
Weh.
pa lang. 5 pa lang?
Lumit man yung edits mo?
Ah?
Lumit man yung titi mo?
Ay, hindi. 6 rides nga yata.
Lumit man yung titi mo?
Hindi oh.
Oh. See, hindi pa siya nakaka-6 rides.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Yo, what's good? Babounce kami ngayon. Punta kami ng EK. So, dadalhin ko yung tatlong anak ko, si Vera, si Mac, tsaka si Shanice. Tas kasama rin yung parents ko. Si Mama Diling, lola nila sa mother side. So, we're going to EK. Where are you going, Vera?
Nagsimba.
Where are you going?
I don't know.
We're going to EK.
Ayan o.
Yay!
Kakagaling na natin sa simbahan yan.
Hi muna kayo sa vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Yan ang mga buksan mo. Ako din. Nakabuksan?
Kaya ako ng tao.
Kaya ang kiluna.
Oo, tama na daw.
Nakabili ako na akin.
Hi, guys. Kami kanina. Sila mama. Hi ka, ma. Say hi, mama. Dara. Hi ka. 0.5 to? Bawal ba mag-video dito? May picture.
Video nga yan eh.
I mean picture.
Pwede.
Picture kami. Hindi na ganun.
We're here in Enchanted. Oh
Yan
yeah.
ang enchanted oh.
Nandito na tayo sa Enchanted.
Dito ako, totoo ako.
So magra-rides kami ngayon.
I'm the main.
Sama ang family.
Ako din. Aking family. Hawak ko.
Ka na mag...
Wow!
Ano masasabi mo mag-Enchanted?
Okay lang. Mag-e-enjoy. Masusuka.
Ano una mo sasakyan?
Siya. Joke.
Siya daw. Ikaw daw.
Ay, joke lang daw.
Tara. Are you happy?
Yeah!
Where are you?
I don't know.
You're in Enchanted Kingdom.
Yay! We're happy!
How about you? Are you happy?
I'm sad because I can't go on any ride. Only kiddie ride.
Because you're weak. Ito ang unang rides na sasakyan namin. Hindi namin na naman ang tawag eh. Try natin. Mahihain dun oh. Ganda-ganda.
Sabi niya, hindi ka daw namin kilala.
Ha?
Hindi ka daw namin kilala.
Okay naman ang mga neto. Ang boring nga neto eh. Boring. Boring pero nakapila eh. Yo, kakain muna kami. Nakakaisang ride pa lang ako.
Kuya,
Ikaw ba, Mac? Nakailang ride ka na?
lahat malapit na. Pero yung mga ibang...
No, he's lying.
Parang lahat.
This dude is lying.
Hindi. Yung mga nakakatakot, hindi pa. Pero yung
Nakailang rides ka na?
5 pa
Weh.
lang. 5 pa lang?
Lumit man yung edits mo?
Ah?
Lumit man yung titi mo?
Ay, hindi. 6 rides nga yata.
Lumit man yung titi mo?
Hindi oh.
Oh. See, hindi pa siya nakaka-6 rides. So, kakain muna kami, mamen.
Ayun oh.
Ang binaon namin. Vera! Say hi!
Lahat ng places ay nagtitinda ng buko pie. Lahat yata. No? Meron pa tayo nakita doon.
And so,
Oh, lahat ng places na puntahan namin, may buko pie. Kaya, paborito ko yung buko pie. I like buko pie. I love it. I adore it. Adore.
no, he's lying. This dude always lying,
Ako
bro.
nga yung nagkain ng lahat ng buko pie. Ako pa? Ako nga dapat nagkain lahat.
Yo, pabalik na kami. Katatapos lang namin kumain.
Ma'am, bago mag-alis tayo, mag-Ferris wheel kami. Videoin mo, ha? Just watch us. Pupunta kami sa park. Parang man mga slides. Nakalimutan ko ng pangalan. Pero parang ano, may mga slides. Yon. Hindi man park yun. Ano yun? Basta mag-aalaro kami ni Vera. Say hi. Say hi to Vera, chat. Hi! So, that's it, I guess. Ikaw naman, Daddy.
Oh my god. So cute. I am the best.
What are you saying, Vera?
I was just singing.
What are you singing?
This. I am cute. I'm so cute.
I'm so cute.
I'm so cute. I am cute like you. Huh. This is the
Antayin naman natin sila. Layo naman.
yeah, the
Lolo, antayin naman sila. So guys, basically, magpablaro kami sa park. We will slide together, chat. Baka, chat. You know, talking to the chat. Kanya, live streaming.
yeah. This is the best.
The audience, yun lang, chat.
Are you happy, Vera?
Yeah, look what I can do.
What's that? Are you a rock star?
Yeah. I can sing very good.
Sing.
Can sing very
Sing
good.
for the
Okay, show
Vera.
your talent, Vera.
Yeah, I'm talented with everything.
Guys, hindi ko pa nakita yung talent ko. Ano kaya yung talent ko? Nagsusword? Kasi pag lagi ako nagkikinyari nagsusword. Pwede. Mag-sing. Lagi ako nag-singa lang sa mga song. You know? But, I don't know. I might not even have one. Vera, take the camera. No, not actually, just ano. So, what do you got to say about say about the chat, Vera?
Cute
They're cute and
good.
and there's something else.
And also so cute and good and
Handsome because there's also boys watching. Boys. Kaya, take the camera, Daddy.
Dapat nga isa-isa tayo, mag-racing na tayo lahat.
Meron pa bang bumper cards? Baka nag-ride pa sila. No?
Sino?
Sila.
Who's sila?
Sila tita, ate.
Wala yung card ni Isabel eh.
Baka nasa kanya.
Show your talent, Vera.
I am so talented at singing and dancing.
Oh, that's great, Vera.
Weird. Gusto mo dyan, Daddy?
Hindi ka naman pwede dyan eh.
Hindi, ikaw gusto mo?
No, I wanna be with you guys.
Song ride lang naman.
I'll come with you and Vera.
Oh, we're gonna be doing something at yung parang park? Park ba yun? Di, ano yun? Nakalimutan ko na, basta no. Okay.
Mom, can you say ho ho ho? Mom, can you say ho ho ho?
Okay, with the camera on me. Ayan. Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. Yan na, Vera. Is it good?
No, I Santa ho ho's like
Oh, 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 Merry Christmas.
no, not like that, like this. Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas.
Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. Yan?
How about me? You wanna? You a hoe.
Bro. Bro.
Dad, that's easy, not like that.
Alam mo paano paano ulit mag-two joints?
Ho ho, I
2 joints ka ba?
ho ho.
Anong mga ibang? Anong mga iba?
Ho ho ho, Merry
Ha?
Christmas.
Anong mga iba?
Doon ulit sa kanina tayo papasok
Anong mga iba?
Red Boys.
Ano yon? Anong sign nila?
Hindi ko alam. I don't know what their sign is.
Ano pa?
Outside Mafia.
Di, 2 joints ako. 2 joints.
Hey.
Ikaw din, Daddy?
Yeah, 2 joints.
Ikaw, Vera? What are you, Vera? 2 joints?
No, I am a rock and roll.
She's a rock star.
Rockstar, hindi 2 joints. So, guys, this is the surroundings. Full 360, no? So, yeah. Joke lang. Did I? Kaya. Para sa mami ko yan, kung nag-unod. So, yeah. Basically, so, ano yung dito yan. So, where Dad! Dad! Dad!
Later may nagpipicture oh. Where are we going ba?
Park! Pang park! May mga slides. Gusto mo sa Ferris wheel, ma'am? Lahat tayo punta sa Ferris wheel pag nandito na sila tita. Saan na sila nagpunta? Anong diretsyo?
I don't know. What's that?
Hi!
Heart? That's heart? Tara na.
Right, cool. Baka mahulog mo yan. Follow me. I am the tour guide. The carousel.
Cute.
It's your time to shine.
Shine to shine.
Hey, come here! Yung magra-ride si Vera at si Mac. Vera!
Your hands and feet inside the boulder at all times. Be seated.
Vera!
Stops completely. Nice ride.
Vera! Vera, did you enjoy the ride?
Yeah, carousel ulit tayo.
Let's go to carousel. Yo, magka-carousel kami. Ha?
Mama,
Di ata ako pwede sa priority eh.
pwede ah.
Mac. Vera. Okay, may mga sumisigaw eh. Vera!
Picture. Ayaw mo mag-picture? Magsislide tayo. Magtas na tayo. Vera, let's go. Let's go, Vera.
Okay, let's go on that slide.
Okay. So, me and Vera are going to the magical slide. So, yeah. There, dyan ikaw, Vera, dyan. Huwag dyan, ma-steep. Mayayaw dyan. Sit, Vera, doon. You can, ano? Goy! Vera, go! Go! Hindi matakot. Hindi matakot, Vera. Diyan ka. Vera, go down. Go slide. Vera. Di man madulas. Vera, 1, 2, 3. Ikaw naman. Slide. Di man madulas. Come here, Vera. Di man madulas. Oh. Di madulas. No? Di madulas. Ulit guys. Ulit. Ulit naman tayo. Oh, malapit na ikaw mahulog. That one, Vera. Slide. Slide. Sure, Vera. Go, go, go. Mahulog yung camera? Baka mahulog yung camera. Mapapagalitan mo. Ay, di pala. Ako naman. Ulit, Vera.
Mac! Vera! gonna ride this boring
Kaya nga, boring.
ride? Because Mac like it.
No, I don't like it.
And I have no choice but to be with him. So,
Kani Vera.
and there's Vera and her Lola.
And her mama. Pangalan niya mama. Tawagan mama. Si Brandon.
Hindi. Boring kaya mag-work like ganyan or not? Sa tingin mo? Is it a boring job or not?
Yeah, because
Assisting people.
you just assist people. And also, you don't even get to ride the rides. You just watching people.
No, what if it's their rest day?
They, yeah, it would be, the rides would, entry would be free, I guess. So, pwede?
Are you gonna work like that?
If it pays good.
What if it's $1 million
I would
per month?
Per month? Oh, of course. No. Maybe you only do this for the view. Yeah, you only do this for the view. You don't do this just to ride. You ride this to see it. Pagkatapos, maglaro muna kami. Rest muna kami unti dyan. At pagkatapos, dalawa more. And
No,
then dalawa
dapat-
more at rest.
You have to ride all you can. This is ride all you can.
You can ride.
You can play anywhere, but you can't ride anywhere. So why would you want to play when you can play anytime?
Oh. All you can eat buffet, basically that. So you have infinite food.
Yeah.
But you have to eat them all.
And you're gonna have to dapat masulit yung binayad mo dito. You understand? Because you don't pay for that. You can do that anywhere, right? But you have to ride all you can.
Yeah. Doon sa ano, nagano?
He's scared. He's scared with this. Where's Vera?
Wala na. Sa ano? Umalis na nga yata. Umalis. Daddy mo!
Oh, it's a dinosaur. Yo, tatry namin ni Mac yan. Tatry namin ni Mac.
At least hindi
We're going to
boring.
try that. So, tatry namin yan ni Mac. Oh shit! Oh shit! Sabi mo, oh shit!
Ocean!
Mac and I will try this.
Ah,
Let's go! Let's go!
iham ako.
Huh?
Iham ko. Full glitter. Saan yung one pa niya? Iham mo na!
Ito! Oh, it's not scary. Look at him. Look at Vera. Hindi naman nakakatakot eh. Not scary.
It's not. It's not scary. It's just so hard. I don't want to see it.
May fireworks. Tignan mo si Lola, oh, takot. Ayun, oh, tignan mo.
Takot si
Tignan
Lola?
mo, kapit na kapit si Lola. Ayun, oh. Mac is too damn scary. Isa L. Isa L boy. L boy. You are L boy. Yo, ito-try namin.
Yan guys, sasakay kami dito. Kakayanin ang loob. Hala, bali. Ay, miss ko na siya. Tsareng. Sasakay kami dyan. Nandito si Sean, si Kuya.
Ito-try namin yan, no? Vikings naman ang next namin. Vikings. Saan tayo pwesto?
Sa likod. Para magandang experience. So how's the experience sa Vikings? Hindi masaya.
Boring.
Charis.
Sabi ko hire, ayaw i-hire eh.
Uy, kate. Di dapat doon ka sa likod. Naubos yung boses ko, guys. Okay pa. Okay pa naman yung boses.
Sa ano kami ngayon? Space Shuttle. Ayun, no? Tama yan. Natang. Ako na lang, umulit ka pa dyan. Oh, shit.
Gago lang pila.
Oh, shit. Space Shuttle. Oh, shit. Space Shuttle. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Gago, angas yan, no? Space Shuttle, man. Yo, it's a wrap. Pauwi na kami. All goods na, marami tayong nasakyan na rides. Pinakauli namin sinakyan is yung Space Shuttle, man, solid. Kasi sa una lang naman sa una lang parang nakakakabahan. Then kasi sobrang taas eh. Tapos pag biglang babagsak ng walang warning, so magugulat ka. Pero yun lang, other than that, easy, you know what I'm saying? So yun na, wrap up na. Masaya ako kasi nailabas ko sila. Airmats ko, airpods ko, yung mga anak ko. So all goods in the hood. Peace.